Hello, hello, my friend. No, the Bible. I'm going to speak to you.
¡Qué maravilla de Cristiano! ¡Qué maravilla de Cristiano!
On that team. Can I have a future? Side. Olumia, shall we play? Sporting Mario. Look, yeah. I show you.
It's Cristiano Ronaldo. It was lovely skill, wasn't it? Change of direction, change of pace.
No problem, Peter. They look at
Oh, great skills by Ronaldo.
No problem,
Twisting and
on that
turning away
table.
from Steve Davis.
And now it's a first touch for Alejandro Bedoya. Bedoya was stretching.
No problem,
Ronaldo's whipped it off his toes.
Second Asia below. Too late down.
Lovely stuff.
To train Melo up today night. Yellow look. The guy you.
Silverware heading to the Arsenal Trophy Cup.
Guy. Yeah.
Brilliantly himself. Can they get a third goal to really round it off? Ronaldo. Lovely footwork.
So team are there. Penya you. Follow no.
Ronaldo. Filled the void. Admirably. Oh dear me. I mean, he left Suso for dead. He let a step over.
And Manchester United, from a position of apparent comfort, have to start all
Show
over
like
again.
opening out later. Winning everyone is sweet that. To see.
Milestone. Ronaldo.
You bring out that you know. I'm just linking out those issues.
Support Dybala. Great save again. How did he do that?
Oh. ဘယ်နဲ့တော့ကိုဗစ်တင်တဲ့တာဖြစ်တယ်ညာဖြစ်တယ်တွားရှုံးလို့မရဘူး။နောက်တီးဖို့